Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Are you tired of the same old cleaning routines, looking for clever ways to organize your space? Today we're sharing 10 genius indoor hacks that will revolutionize how you clean and organize your home. These tricks are simple, effective, and might just change your life. Let's dive in and discover these amazing hacks together. 1. Balloon dusting trick. First up, the magical balloon dusting trick. Step 1. Inflate a regular party balloon. Step 2. Rub it vigorously on your hair or a wool sweater to create static electricity. Step 3. Watch in amazement as you run the balloon over dusty surfaces. The static attracts dust particles like a magnet. This trick works wonders on hard-to-reach places and delicate items that are tricky to dust conventionally. Pro tip: use different balloons for different rooms to avoid spreading dust around. 2. Plastic wrap paint tray. Next, let's make paint cleanup a snap with this plastic wrap hack. Step 1. Take a large piece of plastic wrap and line your paint tray, ensuring it covers all edges. Step 2. Pour your paint into the lined tray and paint as usual. Step 3. When you're done, simply lift out the plastic wrap, gathering it from the edges. Step 4. Dispose of the wrap and voila! Your paint tray is clean and ready for next time. This hack not only saves time on cleanup, but also extends the life of your paint tray. Bonus tip: if you need to take a break, cover the tray with another piece of plastic wrap to keep the paint fresh. 3. Velcro remote control holder. Tired of losing your remotes in the couch cushions? Try this Velcro hack. Step 1. Purchase adhesive-backed Velcro strips from your local hardware store. Step 2. Cut small pieces and attach the hook side to the back of your remotes. Step 3. Stick the corresponding loop pieces to your coffee table, TV stand, or even the side of your couch. Now your remotes will always stay in place yet be easily removable when needed. This hack works great for other small items too, like game controllers or reading glasses. Pro tip: use clear Velcro for a more discreet look on your furniture. Coffee filters aren't just for brewing your morning cup of joe. They're a secret weapon for cleaning. These lint-free wonders are perfect for cleaning glass surfaces without leaving streaks. Use them dry for dusting electronics or slightly dampened for tougher cleaning jobs. They're great for polishing stainless steel appliances and even cleaning eyeglasses. The best part? Coffee filters are inexpensive and biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly cleaning option. Bonus hack: use them to line plant pots for cleaner repotting and to prevent soil from escaping through drainage holes. Transform your space with the power of magnet strips. Step 1. Purchase adhesive-backed magnet strips from a craft or hardware store. Step 2. Install them in strategic locations. In the kitchen, put them inside cabinet doors or under shelves. Step 3. Use them to hold metal tools, scissors, or even create a spice rack with metal-lidded jars. In the garage, use stronger magnet strips to organize tools. In the bathroom, they're great for bobby pins and small metal grooming tools. This hack not only saves space but also keeps everything visible and easily accessible. Pro tip: label your magnet strips for even better organization. Here's a simple hack that will make your painting projects neater and more efficient. Step 1. Take a large rubber band and wrap it around your paint can from top to bottom. Step 2. When you need to remove excess paint from your brush, simply wipe it against the rubber band. The band catches the excess paint, allowing it to drip back into the can. This prevents paint from accumulating on the rim of the can, keeping the seal clean. It also helps you avoid overloading your brush, leading to smoother application and less dripping. Bonus tip: use different colored rubber bands for different paint colors to avoid mix-ups on multicolor projects. Say goodbye to messy drawers with this customizable organization hack. Step 1. Measure your drawer and plan your organization layout. Step 2. Collect small boxes, containers, or even cut cereal boxes to fit your needs. Step 3. Cover the containers with contact paper or paint for a uniform look if desired. Step 4. Arrange them in your drawer to separate different items. Step 5. Secure with adhesive strips or non-slip drawer liners to prevent sliding. This method allows you to create custom organizers for any drawer in your home. Pro tip: use clear containers in bathroom drawers for easy visibility of items. 8. Soda and vinegar toilet cleaner. Get ready to say goodbye to tough stains with this powerful DIY cleaner. Step 1. In a spray bottle, mix equal parts Coca-Cola and white vinegar. Step 2. Shake well to combine. Step 3. Spray generously on hard water stains in toilets, showers, or sinks. Step 4. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the severity of the stains. Step 5. Scrub with a brush and rinse thoroughly. The combination of acidic cola and vinegar helps dissolve mineral deposits and limescale. This eco-friendly solution is cheaper and often more effective than store-bought cleaners. Caution: Always test on a small, inconspicuous area first, especially on natural stone surfaces. 9. Egg separator hack. Calling all bakers and cooking enthusiasts, this egg separator hack will change your kitchen game. Step 1. Crack your eggs into a wide, shallow bowl. Step 2. Take a clean, empty plastic water bottle and squeeze it slightly to remove some air. Step 3. Place the mouth of the bottle directly over an egg yolk. Step 4. Gently release the pressure on the bottle. The yolk will be sucked up, leaving the white behind. Step 5. Move the bottle over another container and squeeze to release the yolk. This method is faster and more hygienic than traditional hand-separating methods. Pro tip: use room temperature eggs for easier separation. 10. Quick phone calculator fix. Our final hack is a simple phone trick that'll save you time and frustration. When using your phone's calculator app, there's no need to clear the entire calculation if you make a mistake. Simply swipe left or right on the number display to erase the last digit entered. This works on most smartphone calculator apps, including both iPhone and Android devices. It's particularly useful for long calculations or when entering multiple figures quickly. Remember, a single swipe deletes one digit, so you can easily correct mistakes without starting over. This little-known feature can significantly speed up your calculations and reduce errors. There you have it. 10 genius indoor hacks that will make your life easier, your home cleaner, and your daily tasks more efficient. From innovative cleaning methods to clever organization tricks, these hacks prove that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Which one surprised you the most? Which will you try first? If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more clever tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these hacks or any other brilliant ideas you have. Share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy hacking!